squad. We arrived in beautiful Bella Collina in Orlando, Florida. It's so gorgeous over here. It's like if you flew to Italy. This is going to be a fun video to edit. This is going to be a good one. Look at this, how beautiful this entrance. Look at the cobblestone streets. Oh my God. Wait till you see the homes here. I don't know if you guys have been to Bella Collina or even know where it is. Bella Collina is just 25 miles north of Disney World. It has a Tuscany charm like Disney's Golden Oak. I believe Disney might have been influenced by Bella Collina when they designed Golden Oak. Bella Collina will have over 900 homes versus Golden Oak at only 297 homes. Plus, you'll get a lot more land with your home here versus Golden Oak. The clubhouse at Bella Collina, also known as the Castle, isn't that an interesting name? It has 75,000 square feet and is reminiscent of the clubhouse at the bridges at Rancho Santa Fe near San Diego. Summer House, the clubhouse at Golden Oak, is only about 23,000 square feet, much smaller in size compared to Bella Collina. Can you imagine if Disney would have developed this property? That would be awesome. But the cool thing is they have homes here from 800,000 to 10 million plus, which right now we're going to show you one of the lower range, 800,000. But just look at this. This would be your view. Look at this, how gorgeous. All right, we're going to show you this house in Bella Collina, which is so beautiful. I'm going to show you the entrance. We're at Anna Marina with the bonus, and it's 3,000 square feet. Let's walk in. Whoa, this is gorgeous. And this home starts at what, like 875? 875,000. You know what this reminds me of? The entrance, the foyer area. It reminds me of Copper Creek Cabins and Wilderness Lodge. That's what it reminds me of. But let's show you. Perfect. Look, you walk in from your foyer to your huge kitchen and dining room area and family room area. Oh, wait till you see the view from here. Look at the island. How beautiful. Look how much space. It's gorgeous.
Full view.
Full view, and you got your family room, you got your whole entertainment all on one floor. I know there's a one bedroom downstairs, right? We just walked by one bedroom. Two bedrooms downstairs. We're gonna show you. Gotta show me. I know there's two bedrooms down here with Jack and Jill.
It's a ranch house.
It's a ranch. Okay, it's a ranch house. I thought there was a bonus upstairs.
Yeah.
So you got two bedrooms, spacious. I like the ceiling height. The ceiling height's what, 9 feet?
No.
10 feet, which makes it bigger. Gotta love it. And you got your other bedroom. You got your bathroom. Gorgeous bathroom.
Yep.
And you got your second bedroom. So how many bedrooms are in this house?
Not really. 3 at least.
Because you said 3 downstairs. I thought there was an upstairs. We're gonna find out.
Yeah.
Gorgeous. Look at the view. Wow, a lot of lots to buy out here. This is actually such a peaceful place to live in. You're not that far from Disney too. You're what? 25 miles away. You jump on the turnpike, you're right close to Disney World. I didn't know you got another. No, that's what I was telling you. There's a bonus upstairs. You got your office. Yeah, no, it's a good sized house. You got your office area. I love this desk. Love you. I like this desk for our house. Wow. I like it. Yeah, very spacious. I love the 10-foot ceilings all across the first floor. Then you got your powder bath. Good sized powder bath.
All right, so back to the kitchen.
And then you got, back to the kitchen. So you got 3 bedrooms on this side, and then you got your family area, your dining room, your huge kitchen, your family room area.
Let's go check out the master
10-foot ceilings. I always love 10-foot ceilings. I'll wait till you see the back. The back is like bonus. Wait till you see your view.
That's last.
That's last. Then you got your masters downstairs. Beautiful masters. This is so pretty. Look at this. I love the colors. And they have it exactly the way I like the colors. Exactly. We got to take some pictures. We're going to do our bedroom like this, exactly like this. Look at this. This is a gorgeous color with the light. I love the light. Look at the view. This is your view from your master bedroom. Watch some golfers. You can play golf back there.
Got a golfer. He's gonna miss it.
He's waving hi. Then you got your walk-in closet. Gorgeous, gorgeous. Wow, I love it. You got your walk-in closet.
Hold on.
You still showing him?
Nice view. Well, we'll get to that in a
Look at
minute.
the walk-in closet. Good size. But you have to do your custom cabinets in here for sure. You have to have your custom closet, walk-in closet. Let's show them let's go to the master. Oh, there's 2 walk-in closets, his and hers, which I figured that they were gonna do that. Look at this, spa-looking sinks, your little vanity area. Love the chair. Look at the chair, how pretty. I love the way they did this. It's gorgeous. And then you got your walk-in shower, spacious walk-in shower, and you can see the golf course from here. That's pretty cool. And then you got his, I guess you could fight for it, his or hers. I think this would be mine.
Yeah.
Because that way you get out of the bathroom and you have your own walk-in closet. You don't have to walk out to the master. What is this right here?
Oh, towel closet.
Towel closet, love the doors. Nice floor plan so far, I like it.
Yeah, it's a nice plan.
Yes, it is. What's the square footage of it?
3,076.
3,076, good sized house. Let's walk upstairs. Be careful, lovey. I'm gonna trip being the cameraman.
Whoa.
Whoa. I like it. I love this fort, this house plan. This house plan is huge. It's 3,000 square feet. It's actually smaller than our house, but it's that they make it feel like it's a lot bigger.
Good use of footage.
Wow, this is a good media room / game room. You can put your screen on this side, right, or on that side. I love it. Yeah, and have your
You have a bar right here.
media chairs right here. A nice sofa, sit around. Nice red velvet sofa.
Popcorn machine.
Machine back here. Yeah, your little kitchen area.
Here's a view.
And actually, yeah, then it has not an air conditioning area. Thought that was a bathroom.
Hold on, let me get a view back here. There's your neighbors.
Look at how cool this is. The dominoes. I've never seen that. I like that. That's cute. You unscrew the top and then you have your dominoes. Play dominoes. I like this.
There's another bedroom over here.
Yeah, another bedroom. Another spacious bedroom. This is. So then you got
I think it's just 4 bedrooms because that was like
3 downstairs plus the office. 3 bedrooms plus the office. Then you walk upstairs and you got the media room, entertainment area. Then you got your guest bedroom upstairs.
And what do you have up front? Another view.
Another view, the golf course. On the other side of the golf, you're surrounded by golf courses. And then look, it has a small walk-in closet, which is nice. It's pretty much one of the smallest
Yeah.
houses. 3,000 square feet, it's relatively small. This is why you moved to Florida. That's why so many people are moving to Florida. I mean, look at the sun, the bright sun. You got your pool area, your golf course. This is living in paradise. Gorgeous. On the golf course with all different type of houses. God, I love it. I'm going to show ETT spot, my data pad, on my Instagram stories. Make sure you follow me on Instagram so you can see my stories, everyday stories. But it's in this beautiful ETT squad. It's gorgeous. Look at the golf courses. It feels like you're in Italy and you're in Orlando, Florida. And look at this. Living here in Bella Collina, you have your own helipad. You could have your own helicopter. You go to the golf course clubhouse, Bella Collina, and then land your helicopter and you're here. This is so cool, right? Having your own helicopter. This is so pretty, isn't it?
must be people.